24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Respected teacher, Assalamu Alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Math is everywhere. Math is really important in our life. It plays a major role in a child's cognitive development. Children from the age of 1 to 5 years start thinking creatively and critically, exploring patterns and shapes, comparing sizes, counting objects, analyzing and solving problems. Introduction of oval shape. Tell the children that today they will identify oval shape. Start the lesson by singing the following shape song with children.
Squeeze a circle, squeeze a circle. Can you see? Can you see? Now I'm an oval, now I'm an oval. What objects can you see? What objects can you see? Egg, potato, watermelon, jelly beans.
Play a game with children. Draw an oval on the ground. Ask children to walk around it. Identification of oval shape. Draw an oval on the board and say it's an oval. Ask children to repeat after you. Encourage them to draw an oval in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Draw different shapes, for example, circles, squares, triangles, ovals, etc. on the writing board and ask children to identify all the ovals. Reinforcement worksheet of oval shape can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.